Sing, Rosalie. Raise that golden voice of song. Let everyone know that Schlegel's Grand Imperial Cirque de Paris has come to town.